Deep cleaning on Dell Latitude 5480. Thank you to Sir Prince for trusting our service. The reason for the cleaning request is that from the time the laptop was purchased, it has not been experienced cleaning. Having your laptop deep cleaned at a trusted repair shop is highly recommended. Professional technicians can thoroughly clean the internal components, removing dust and debris that can cause overheating and reduce performance. This includes cleaning the fans, heat sinks, and vents, which helps maintain optimal cooling efficiency. Additionally, a deep clean can extend the lifespan of your laptop by preventing hardware issues caused by dust accumulation. Trusting professionals ensures that the cleaning is done safely and effectively, minimizing the risk of damage to delicate components. Overall, a deep cleaning by a trusted repair shop enhances your laptop's performance and longevity. Deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your deep cleaning too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.